Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and I just received an update to my Route10 and my on-premise controller from Alta Labs, and this enables the IDS IPS protection that was marked as a coming soon feature when the Route10 was launched. So here we are on my setup right here. Here's all my devices, my access points, my router, my switch, all that kind of stuff. So there is going to be an update for the router itself to 1.3S. And you'll see that over here if you haven't updated already. And then if you're looking for the settings, you need to go in here and make sure your Alta control version is 1.0R or higher. So if you haven't updated that yet, make sure you check for the update right there. And then for the actual IPS IDS settings themselves, they're going to be under the firewall tab right here. So if you click that, you'll see this new tab right here for intrusion prevention. And here are the current settings for it on the first version where it was just released. So it is disabled by default, so you can toggle it on right here, and intrusion detection and prevention will monitor the traffic on your specified networks, and you can choose what VLANs you want the traffic to be monitored and enabled on. You can choose your notification level, high, medium, low, and your block level, high, medium, low, or none. If you only want it to notify you, of course, just choose none, and it will only be the intrusion detection with notification. But if you want it to actually be intrusion prevention, then you need to select a block level. There are no customizable blocks or anything like that, no blocking rules as of yet. It's just on, off, and the sensitivity. But that is the update, and that is where you can find these new settings. The only other thing I've seen in this update is they did change the little windows here. You now have a little green expansion icon and a little red X icon to close the window. So that has also been updated in this version. But that was one of the features we were waiting on right there, is the intrusion prevention and detection. So that is now available on the Route10 version 1.3S, and the control version, this is the on-premise controller. Like I said, we are on 1.0R. So make sure you update your equipment to those versions, and you can enable that feature in the settings. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.